It just falls off of that, but that's fine.
Let's try it though.
There it goes. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, you hit it twice, so we actually started at 8:45.
That's a good way to shut your microwave off, though.
Yeah, opens the door for you. This is egg in the microwave. Take
5.
5. I'm getting hungry.
You can smell it from back here. Mom's gonna wonder what happens on the stump. we could say, we blow a blue egg up.
We're cooking some eggs for breakfast.
This one's taking a long time.
I haven't heard anything yet. It's been about a minute. Well, it's been over a minute. It's been about a minute and 15 seconds.
We started at 8:45, Dad. Oh,
Yeah. Now it's at almost 1:10. I mean 7:10.
It's just dripping off of it.
The last time we did it, I felt the top of it, and it was just burning hot.
It's been about 2 minutes now. Oh, I heard a crackle.
It's about to go.
Oh,
Oh, that's probably the other one. Wonder if it's gonna open it this time.
they might have just cracked.
I'll open it. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, there's an egg dripping off of it.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Oh!
Oh, there it goes.